You're welcome back to my channel. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. If you're a newcomer here, I appreciate you. I promise you a truckload of fun, okay? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me, okay? So before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, turn on your notification bell, and hit the subscribe button, okay? Yes, the subscribe button, okay? So that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified, okay? Ngwan, our topic for today is on nuts, okay? We are going to look at the Igbo names of 7 most common nuts, okay? Igbo names of 7 most common nuts, alright? Yes. Ngwan. Also, okay, good. In Kizizi, the first on our list is coconut. In Igbo, we call it aku oyibo or aki oyibo, okay? Aku oyibo or aki oyibo. That is in Kizizi, the first on our list today, okay? In Kibwo, the second on our list today is the peanuts. That's the granite, okay? The granuts. We call it okpa, okay? Some other dialects also call it opapa, but we call it okpa, depending on your own dialect, all right? The third on our list today is the kola nut. Okay? We call the kola nut oji in Igbo. This particular one here is called oji Igbo, but generally we call the kola nut oji. Okay? Good. The next on our list today is the bitter kola. In Igbo, we call it ugu gololo. From where I come from, that's what we call it. Ugu gololo. That is for the bitter kola. Ugu gololo. Okay? Ugu gololo. But in some other dialects, they call it akinu for the bitter kola. Ugu gololo or akinu. Alright? The fifth on our list today, nkise, okay? Nkise, the fifth, is the cashew nut. The cashew nut. In Igbo, we call it nkpulu cashew. That's the cashew nut, okay? Nkpulu cashew for the cashew nut. The number 6 on our list today is the tiger nut. Nkishi bụ tiger nut. In Igbo, we call it aki awusa for the tiger nut. The last but not the least for today is the walnut. You know the walnut? We call it ukpa. The walnut is called ukpa. Okay? So we have the coconut, aku oyibo or aki oyibo. Then the granite or the peanuts or papa or okpa. Then the third one, in Keto, we have bitter kola. Ugu gololo or akinu. Then we have the kola nut. The kola nut, we call it oji. Okay? We call it oji. This particular one, remember I told you, is called ojibu. We refer to it as ojibu. Okay? Then next we have the cashew nut. Nkpulu cashew. Then the tiger nut, aki Aki Hausa for the tiger nut. Then the last for today is the walnut. The walnut. Ukpa. 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 Okay? And this brings us to the end of today's lesson. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll be the first to be notified. I hope this video was educative. Thank you for staying with me. Afamka Bwangozika. Bye.